Let's take a look here. Let's take a look here. Whoop, there we are. Air go in, all right? No problem. Good with Ronnie? Yes. What did he say, nothing?
This is the front driveway and that's the back.
Okay.
I don't know. Where's the pool over here, here?
Tony's over there. He's in his truck. We'll have to take a look. Alrighty. We're gonna put in some conduit. All right, let me find this conduit. We're thinking the easiest way to get through here at the moment with everything. Yeah, we can get the long piece in now and come back and do this piece, you know, when it gets closer to the pad. At least get a start on it today, Tony. What are you doing? Yeah, you good. You good girl. You good girl. Yeah. Yeah. You good girl. We're in Davisonville today, fixing up a lawn sprinkler system. What do you got there, Mrs. Gonzalez? She's a-working. And Mr. Johnson, he's assisting there, looking for a mainline feed coming down to this. What's that up by the house, Gary?
Yeah.
Okay. And lady, what do you got here? So you're bypassing all this?
Yeah.
Bypassing to bring it back.
Yeah,
And then that'll all be good.
Okay, yeah.
And then where were you going on your conduit? You're over here? What was the ones you and I were talking about this morning? I remember some of the conversation from a month ago.
Yeah.
What else did you have going on?
Not that much except for the main up there. It was just this here.
Yeah.
We weren't sure if we were going to go here and dig over and connect it to them because they already go in the garage instead of using. So,
Okay, that's what you were saying early this morning. But you know for sure both of these go in the garage?
I don't know about both. But yeah, I remember the big one definitely does. I don't know about the other one.
Okay.
So, but it's up to you. We'd have to dig it up down here and bring them both over, or you want to just dig that over and go in?
You mean dig that down and go in? Over here?
Yeah.
We could. We will take it in that front bed?
Yeah, because they're all there. And it curves and it goes right here.
And where's it going to the house? Right there?
Yeah, the one that feeds the
building?
Yeah. Goes right through here.
Okay.
So I didn't know what you want to do with that. Dig it over, bring it and go back under there, or
whatever you think is the best.
yeah. I think irrigation, we do turn it on later. We're gonna find some pipes that are broke.
Nah.
There was one there.
Nah.
So we'll just go ahead and go up by the house and without bring it over, go in.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah.
I think that's a good idea. Every once in a while you get dangers.
Yeah.
You know? It's rare. And you got Mr. Bird here.
Yeah.
And then you have Mrs. Gonzalez over here. She's the one doing all the work. Right, lady? Tell him, lady. Tell him, lady. Tell him. Woman power, baby. Woman power. Nordy, how you guys doing? Doing good? Yep. Yep. Byron! How you doing, bud? Where's your TLC hat? You don't have one? He don't have one?
It's broken.
A new hat?
A new one.
How do you break it?
No, him no have new one.
Oh, okay. I'll get you a new hat. I'll get you a new hat today, Byron. How much conduit you got left?
Right there. Plenty.
Yeah, plenty. Yep. Okay. I don't know about this guy. Very strange touch-up sometimes. All right, come on. Let's roll. We got other projects to go to, sir. Alrighty, guys. We're going to get ready to head off of this project over to another one, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Talk to you soon. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.